Got a big piece of ice cream.
Lukey, come here. Hey, I'm not making you cake anymore. Lucas. No, I know. Could you call him? No, not the yummy.
Move, move. Oh, you can't reload off my plate.
No. You got
Oh, cake to the face.
Katie.
You make money. You could have made money off of that video.
I videotaped
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Knock up. Look at Katie, knock up. Katie's got knocked up. Look at that cake face. Katie, you got knocked up. Baby, look at me. You're not bad. You're a little bit. Oh, Katie. Oh, no. She wants to reload off this shit, but she's not getting none of it. Look at that cake. Look at that. Oh, she tries to take off some of her damages and throws it out this mirror. Rub it in her face, baby. Rub it in big time.
Watch this cupboard, Lucas. Hey. What's your iPod?
Oh, headlock action, and that's one of Katie's biggest techniques. She likes to get the person in the headlock, and then she likes to rub it in from underneath. Tamara's more of a come from above type of person.
I don't like this.
Here, baby, reload, baby, reload. You have to reload.
No!
Shit. Oh shit, I missed the best part. Reload, baby. Oh!
Freddie hates it.
Baby, get some cake off the floor.
Oh, nasty.
I missed that. What
A
happened?
handful of cake. She took the cake off your plate.
Oh shit.
She's trying to get it. She's stuck it in my finger.
She's stealing it out of your hand. She found some on the floor. Oh my god. Here you go. Okay, video's over. That was hilarious.
Oh! These girls are worse than guys. Oh! This is nasty.
Jory's making money. Jory's going cha-ching. Give you okay money to see you do this.
Kaz, go get a big handful.
No. They're not going to clean my floor. We are going to clean it. You have to help Katie out. Because Jory's helping Tamara.
Oh. Oh, poor Katie. I feel bad.
Oh no, not Fred.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. You're gonna eat this chocolate. We're gonna stop. Ow, Fred. Take picture.
I got the camera. Oh my god, no.
She's got her whole back.
Let him in, Lucas. The neighbor's going to call the cops.
Oh, come on, man. One good one.
Watch yourself. I just ran it here. If you watch yourself, you no more drinks. You guys are going to clean my house. Okay, now they're getting it all over my house. Look, guys, everybody.
Holy shit.
Look at Casual. Okay, stop it.
That's on her feet.
I think I got it a bit worse than you guys.
Oh, how'd you get it?
Jory.
What did Jory do to you?
Where did he get it? He took one of the whole whipped cream things and shoved it in my mouth.
No, he didn't. Stop! Take pictures of this before it's clean. Okay, hold on. The dog needs a chocolate cake.
Shower
Just
now.
grab it quickly. Grab it quickly off the ground. What are we gonna grab off? Grab it. $50.
Where'd you get it from, anyway?
No, what? Oh! Freddy! Guys! Freddy's eating it. No! Ew! Katie, go on. Cassie, if it's okay if she eats it. It's not. Chocolate. It's not good. Okay, I need to. Guys, can you help us, please? Go outside. Go outside. 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 Stay outside.
Okay.
Help you close the door so I can get in.